Hey Gravel, do you remember our other coconut clock that works? Yeah, we remember it. Do you want to see it now? Gravel? Yeah. Want it? Of course. Right, we'll show you. That coconut clock got broken, so we have to use a new one. Wait, we have to use that one? Why? I don't know, Gravel. But do you want to count the first ever coconut soon or later? I don't know. Hello, everybody. So, yeah. Yeah, hey, Zach. So, do you remember that old... Yeah, Mr. Granite and Mr. Gravel already talked about it, so yeah. Okay. So, yeah, they have to use that other coconut clock now. Yeah, I know. Shall we just go to, like, the other side of the beach so then we can just chat a little bit? Yeah, of course. Let's all go. Because this is not a big problem or disaster. Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, hurry up. Hello, Mr. Granite, Mr. Gravel. We're just going to the other side of the beach. Okay. Me too. Shall I just chillax here for a bit? Of course, Kang, if you want. Or if you must. Yeah, we had to get our instruments somewhere else. Ow! Don't worry, you'll be fine. Yeah, so Mr. Granite, Mr. Gravel, what are you up to? I don't know, but... But that sounds like a problem because it's coconut number 1. Doing. Only 3 more to go to the big zing. You better hurry up now, Zach. Alright, yeah, we're gonna do the big zing anyway soon. Okay. Because we counted the first coconut, you have to hurry up. Okay. Yeah, Gravel, you want to count the other coconut now? Soon? Yeah, Granny, we can see it right there. I know. Yeah, in nature we might play games. Yeah, because we don't have any video games here. Okay. Oh, this is the other beach. This is the other beach. Wow, this is a new beach. We can chillax over here. We can actually do the big zing over here. Yeah, we don't think we can do that because we have to do it in the Moaning Stones area. Oh, shall one of us go to the glade? I don't know. I think I will. I come with Zach. Yeah, come on, let's go. We're going. Yeah, okay. I'll be just going to sleep. Oh, Gravel, I don't know what to do. Come on, let's go. To the glade. Yeah, we don't have to count the second coconut soon. Whoa. Ah. Welcome to the glade, Zach and Drum. What are you doing here anyway? I don't know.
There'll be no pin left in my bell.
We'll be right back. Maybe Todd needs our help. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I just gotta sit here for a bit, so yeah. Oh, Gravel, looks like we have to count the second coconut sooner or later, because, look at this, because it's... Oh, look! It is coconut number 2. Only 2 more to go to the big zing. Yeah, Granite, so what are we gonna do in the big zing? I don't really know. Shall we just... Whoa, what is happening? Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, what was that? I heard a sound. Oh my god, what's that sound? Hello? Mr. Granny, Mr. Gravel, what are you doing here? We're just sitting here for a bit, counting coconuts. You already counted the second coconut, so why did you come here? I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna chillax here and sleep. Yeah, somehow we came over here. Guys, we need to fix Todd's doorbell. Because we heard him say there's no tone left in his bell. Doorbell. A doorbell? Yeah, a doorbell. We already know what doorbells look like. Drum wants to fix doorbell for Todd. Drum wants to fix doorbell. We know. Come on. Yeah, we are just gonna go back. Do you mind that we go back? What? What keeps on happening? Maybe the doorbell is breaking down. Come on, let's go. Let's just go already. Come on, let's go, zingzillas. Whoa! Gravel! Gravel! Come back! Wow, Granny, that was super cool. Guys, this is the... There is no tongue left in my bell! We already heard that. We have to fix your doorbell. Guys, I got a song idea. The doorbell rings. The rings. The rings? Yeah, good. Yeah, the rings. Come on, let's get the idea done. Who's gonna fix my doorbell? We will, come on. Oh yeah, I see the problem. It does not work properly because you accidentally plugged it into the wrong charger. There we go. Now it works. Now get a ring. Yeah. Okay, we're going. Bye-bye. Bye, zingzillas. Hope you have a great day, cause I can do this. Woo, ding dong. Oh, gravel, looks like we might have to count the third coconut. Yeah, Granite, because, guys, come on, let's go to the glade, because we already got an idea. Zingzillas, better hurry up, because it's gonna be coconut number 3 soon. Alright, they are gone. Well, shall we count it now? Yeah, like, wham! Oh, look! It is, coconut number 3. Doing. Only one more to go till the big zing. What the? Oh no! We're gonna yeah, we're stuck. Yeah, they're going to the glade, so we can let them. Okay. Shall we just sit here for a bit? We might have to count the final coconut, Granite. Well, we can't because, yeah. Because, yep, we can't. Come with us. We're allowed to come. All right. Granito. Gravel, we did it. We're at the glade. Yeah. Oh crap. Yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, it don't matter. You go sing the song, zingzillas. Yeah. Come on, let's go. But you gotta hurry up now because the final coconut will start in 20 minutes again. Rush. I didn't know they can fly. We got a new song idea, The Ring. That we can do anything with the ring. Yeah, the rings. Yeah. Let's do the song. Da 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 dun dun. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the clubhouse. And we won't remember this either because we are the zingzillas that we know everything because we remember the doorbell rings every single day. We gotta go to the glade and sooner or later because we might have to see. Yeah, we can make it up in the big zing. Da 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 da. The rings are flying everywhere. Down. Down. Alright, I gotta go into... Let's go into the island where they are. Come on, let's go. Alright, everybody, come on, let's go. We stand in our positions. What are you doing? Did you already finish the song? Yeah, we don't remember the song name. We do remember the song name, The Rings. The last song name we didn't remember is called Crashing. Yeah, I remember it now. The Crashing Bang. Oh, man. Guess we have to change the name. Alright. Don't matter. Everybody stand in your positions. Why are you just standing in your own positions? We gotta wait because the coconut clock is about to start. In 10:09. Yeah, it starts in about 1 more minute now. Yeah. Come on, guys, stand in your own positions. Whatever you're doing, what? Stop. No, Granny, Grabble, it's okay. We are ready for the big zing. Well, it looks like we have to count the final coconut because it's the last. Wait, is it started? And only just in time because it's the last coconut! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. It's time for the big zing! Wah-hey-hey-hey-hey! It's that time of the day when we like to say it's big zing time. So, take it away. Hello, everybody. Haha. Today, we're doing a new song called The Rings. Yeah. Because we have invisible instruments now, apparently. So, yeah. Instead of drum only has the drums. Let's just start the music. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, welcome to the gang. The ringing of the bells. Everything that definitely happens. The coconut clock is going to countdown. Yeah, the coconut clock always starts like this. And then, we always start this. The new song. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, today is the new song. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wait, why didn't it end yet? Wait, we have to count the 5th coconut. Wait, what? This is the finale coconut? Yeah, apparently we have 5 coconuts. Oh, wait,